last few or so years. Here's tonight's edition of the Rich Thomas Weather Extra.
It has been 2 months now since Hurricane Michael slammed into the northwest Florida coast back on October the 10th. It was not only the most powerful hurricane of this hurricane season, it was the most powerful hurricane in recorded history in northwest Florida. Michael will be remembered for its quick maturity to hurricane status and the extreme rapid intensification cycle the storm underwent just hours from landfall as maximum winds increased from 130 to 155 miles per hour in a matter of about 9 hours. It was just shy of Category 5 status when it crossed the coast just east of Panama City near Mexico Beach at 12:15 p.m. Damage was catastrophic. The local EMA reports that 80% of Bay County buildings were destroyed or damaged. 75% of the trees in the area were lost. The death toll from Michael totaled 60, and the damage and loss of life was not confined to the coast. Deaths were reported as far north as the Mariana area in Jackson County, with over 100-mile-an-hour winds there. In fact, Michael was still a major Category 3 hurricane even when it crossed into Georgia, causing historic damage not seen since 1898. Very early Michael damage estimates are well over $15 billion, but that figure is expected to skyrocket. Here's a few incredible Michael stats. Lowest pressure in the storm, 919 millibars, making Michael the third strongest hurricane ever to cross the U.S. coastline, on a list with Camille in '69 and the Labor Day storm of 1935. The 155-mile-an-hour winds were just 2 miles an hour shy of Category 5 status, and it's possible that Michael could be upgraded to Cat 5 after later research has been completed, much like Hurricane Andrew was promoted to Cat 5 status 10 years after the fact. The maximum storm surge reached an unbelievable 15.55 feet, unheard of in the history of the northwest Florida coast. We are able to measure the pressure, the wind speed, the storm surge. We can even estimate the economic impact, but the emotional impact is immeasurable and just as catastrophic. Michael not only changed the coast forever, it had a devastating impact on so many lives and families, and it's going to take a long time to recover. From the Blue Water Weather Center, this is Rich Thomas for the Alabama News Network.